welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a very clean black EP3 in the house today for an ECU exchange. It's got some modifications on it that we'll go through at the end, but we're going to get it strapped, do a stock power run, and get tuning. Aren't we, Rich? Good morning.
We are. Good morning.
Black EP3. Done well, ain't it?
Yeah, I think so. Came in today with all its mods on. It's got a...
Oh, so short.
I don't know. I think I'm sitting a bit in the seat like that as well. It's got on this a Tegiwa 70mm. It's got a 4:1 Decat manifold on it. It's got an RBC Inlet Manifold on it, and it has a Dynodaze induction kit. So good mods, great mods. Customers in today for ECU exchange. Did an initial power run on this car. Didn't do so well. It was rich at the top end, obviously, because it's got a load of modifications on it.
Missing a sensor.
Also was missing the air intake temp sensor as well. So obviously was unplugged, which obviously the ECU doesn't like. So I think that the reason that it was down on power from where it was, I think it ran 189 is what it ran, wasn't it? In standard form, was obviously down to that sensor. Obviously, once it's unplugged, it has to go into default mode, which means it richens up and pulls time in because it assumes the engine's red hot, or whatever default it goes to when you unplug it. So we did have a spare sensor, so we fitted that and plugged it in, and obviously took the code off.
That's my car not running for a week.
Well, yeah, we either all way, but we needed it, didn't we? Yeah, so we put the sensor in, fitted it, obviously cleared any DTCs, made sure obviously everything's working, everything's doing as it should do, and then obviously started tuning from there. So the increases on this car are dramatic, but obviously, to be fair, we always say that's how the car came in, that's how it's leaving. So it is a fair comparison, to be fair.
It is, yeah. I mean, we're talking about 70 brake horsepower here in the mid range.
Yeah, 70 brake horsepower in the mid range. Obviously, a load of power everywhere, bottom end, top end, everything. I think with cars leaving us on 236 brake, 200 at the wheels.
Yeah, 200 at the wheels is good. It sounds immense as well. What a good choice of exhaust. I like the exhaust.
Yeah, I do like the exhaust. I think it's got really good mods on it. I think it's made brilliant power. There is no way he will not be blown away and excited by that.
Blown away. See the flames coming out the back of it from in here?
Well, I haven't, obviously, because I'm...
Did you not see them in the rearview mirror? They were big.
Well, I can see it. I'll get a flash from in here.
Yeah, I'll flash you.
Well, anyway...
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
So there we go. As we always say, red line is as she came in. Clutch dragged a little bit on the initial run, so the graph is cut short a little bit on that one. But as you can see, we've made nearly 70 brake horsepower in the mid-range there. So red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and we finished today on 236 brake horsepower, 200 at the wheels.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.